Mr. Speaker, documents have revealed that Conservative mismanagement is now forcing Canada's military to scale back plans in the Arctic. The air base at Resolute Bay is shelved. The promised Navy port is nothing more than an unheated shed, and the Navy's Arctic patrol ships are delayed until at least 2018. When will a Conservative realize that Arctic sovereignty comes from working with other Arctic nations and listening to Northerners? Don't they understand that high-priced photo ops for the Prime Minister does nothing to help Arctic communities?
The Honourable Minister of National Defence.
Mr. Speaker, as the member would know, Canada's North and our efforts to augment security in the Arctic remain central to the Government of Canada's efforts through our years in government. Mr. Speaker, the Northern Strategy remains central. The increase in Canada's presence and sovereignty in the Arctic is apparent. The Canadian Army will continue to conduct training exercises that are ongoing now, Mr. Speaker, and the opposition, including this member, have been critical of these efforts throughout all of the time that we put into infrastructure, into new equipment, into exercises that augment Canada's sovereignty and security, Mr. Speaker.